Good morning, guys. So today for writing, we're going to learn about another poem called Haiku. So it's a traditional form of Japanese poetry. Let's continue here. All right, so here's an example. Roaring waterfall, millions of minuscule drops cascading as one. So go back and repeat those words to yourself and think about how many syllables does each line contain. So take a moment to do that. And again, it's roaring waterfall, millions of minuscule drops cascading as one. Okay, so in order to write a haiku, you must be able to count syllables. Guys, think about sunset. Sunset, 2 syllables. Spectacular, 4 syllables. Peaceful, peaceful is 2. Soft is 1. Okay, we've talked about identifying how many syllables. If you're ever unsure, go onto online dictionary and look at the syllables when you pull up the word. All right, here's some more. Red is 1 syllable. Remarkable has 4. Water has 2. Whispering has 3. Wind has 1. Refreshing has 3. Okay, with haikus, it's very important that you can figure out how many syllables each word has, because that's part of the rules with a haiku. So here's the rules. A haiku is 3 lines only. The first line has to have 5 syllables, second line has 7 syllables, and third line has 5 syllables. Okay, a lot of times it's inspired by nature, but you don't need to just stick with nature, and you'll see some examples I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so let's continue. So here's an example by Sadie. Majestic mountains, distant peaks covered in snow in June and July. Well, let's think about it. How many syllables does majestic mountains have? 5. How about distant peaks covered in snow? Has 7. And what about in June and July? Has 5. Here's another one. Beautiful black eyes, 5 syllables. A mane as soft as velvet, 7 syllables. Lovely animal, 5. Okay, so again, it doesn't have to be about nature. It can be anything that you want. So let me show you another example here. Okay, this is about beaches. Sand scatters the beach, 5 syllables. Waves crash on the sandy shore, 7 syllables. Blue water shimmers. It's 5. And then here's one on Easter chocolate. Easter bunny hides, 5 syllables. Easter eggs are out of sight, 7 syllables. Kids look everywhere, 5 syllables. So when you go into your activity today to do a haiku poem, it can be about anything. Okay, it could be about your shoe, it could be about your dog, it could be about your cat, it could be about anything outside, it could be about anything inside. But the rule is 5 syllables for the first line, 7 syllables for the second line, and 5 syllables for the third. Okay? All right, guys, take care.